I got a new to me ukulele in. I want to get a sound sample before I do a string change on it. This is my little Metropolitan Soprano, all solid Trembessi wood. These were actually made by Pono, made in the Pono plant for Kayla for a very short time. These were maybe kind of an experimental thing that didn't work out. I believe this was the same time they were putting out, started out the Kayla Elite line, and maybe they were trying to do a a little bit cheaper version, through Pono, kind of like Coal Lau does with the Pono brand. I don't know. I don't know the exact whole story, but that's what I got of it so far. Anyways, it's currently strung with Worth Brown lights, and they're a very small diameter string. I like them on it. They do sound okay, but I do feel that they're a little small sounding. The oak's a little quiet. That could just be the ukulele. But I'm going to put some I'm going to put some Oasis Warms on it and try those strings. But here's what she sounds like as of now. Very beautiful sound to it. I do feel it's a little quiet. I don't want to change those strings on it. It's got an extremely low action, which is not bad. At the same time, it is just a little bit low. I might even, after this string change, if it doesn't improve the volume a little bit for me, I might even put a new saddle on this one, just to raise the string up, action up to where I kind of like it anyways. This was down around the 2 mm mark at the 12th fret. And I really like it up around, at least around 2.5 for sopranos especially. But anyways, that's my Kayla Metropolitan Soprano. Impressed with it so far. When I compare it with this Martin and this Famous, I do feel it's just a little bit too quiet right now. See what I can do with that with a string change, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.